clean everything inside your machine, otherwise the loops will form. Change the needle. Needle should be sharp and straight, so you get neat and beautiful designs, embroidery designs, and you don't get loop formation, you don't get messy stitches, and the thread should not break frequently while you make an embroidery design. Otherwise your design and your fabric would be spoiled, right? So change the needle. 11 number needle if you are using silk thread, 16 number needle if you are using a cotton thread, 18 number needle if you are using what? Somewhat thicker threads, right? Now use the needle threader. There is one hook, pull inside and thread your needle. For this you have to pull your needle to the highest level and the needle threader will thread itself.